Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Now, it's not every day that you get such a hardcore, flamboyant, exotic, high-powered sports car in, and that can only really be meaning the Porsche GT3 RS, the ultimate track weapon for your driveway. My name's Matt, I'm an engineer here at John Kleis Car Audio. I've got Max behind the camera today, and you're going to follow me as I retrofit a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system teamed with an OEM-looking flush fit reverse camera so the customer doesn't damage the back end because you can't see past that wing very easily. Also, what we're going to do whilst this is in, we're going to fit a MetaTrack Deadlock Pro system in here with engine immobilisation and OBD blocking, so no one can start the car, no one can get into the vehicle and program it whilst the customer's not there. It's the ultimate tracking system with immobilisation that can be accessed anywhere in the world, and it's tied in with police security. So come with me as we take her into the workshop and we'll start fitting that CarPlay system. So now we've got the PCM 3.1 system out, it's time to go take it over to the bench, open it up and start installing our CarPlay kit. What we can do from here, we have screen. From here, what we should be able to do is push and hold one of the buttons, and there we go. We're onto CarPlay. We have the dial working to control, and we have the touchscreen working. So what we can do is delete their test device, get our phone plugged into it, then switch over. And what we can do with these kits is use the factory phone system, so we get really good call quality. Music then goes through the Bluetooth audio of the vehicle, because it means that some of the cheaper CarPlay kits, they don't allow this feature to happen. You have really bad sound quality when you're doing calls, you have echoes and lots of noise. So really good update that these kits have had, which means we can use all the factory system and everything works perfectly. Now we just need to get the rest of it in behind the radio and get it fitted. Next up is to pair to the system. Bluetooth, select IA3D8B. Okay. Make sure your phone volume's turned up. You've got sound on CarPlay, but like I say, it's using the factory Bluetooth on the PCM 3.1 system, which means that all my phone calls and Bluetooth audio is controlled by this, not via the CarPlay running through an aux. Gives you much better sound quality and call quality, but you can control everything via the CarPlay kit system. Almost like it was built to go in there. Next job, get the camera system done. It's going to be fun with the roll cage. Get tired very quickly doing this, but with that out the way, now I've got access from behind the rear quarter panel and hopefully get my hand around there, pull the cable through. So next thing we need to do really, start taking the bumper off. Let's see what mighty engine's in the back of this Porsche. Oh, fan powered apparently. Got the bumper off, just quickly marked up central between the two lights, keeps it all in line. We like going for this camera because A, it's small and discreet. When you flushed it into the bumper, it's only a small knuckle hanging down. got a good camera that we like with a good quality image. Next up, pilot hole. Use the supplied hole saw that comes in the kit to create a hole to mount this in. Let's get drilling. So now we've got the bumper back on the vehicle, got the discreet flush fitting camera on there. It's so subtle, you really have to get right down to actually have a look at it. We've got it nice and central, right underneath the lip of the bumper, mixed in with the number plate lights, as you would have seen from me fitting it earlier. Real OEM plus looking camera, but that's one of the best flush fitting, discreet looking cameras. Looks like it's meant to be there, like it was factory fitted by Porsche. We'll go inside now, we'll just give you a quick final run through on the PCM CarPlay and Apple Android Auto wireless retrofit. Not built for 6'4". So, nice and snug in here. What we'll do is we'll just turn the ignition on. My phone has already previously been paired to it, so this will be what it's like for you as the owner getting in. The radio boots up and instantly it will start to reconnect to Apple CarPlay. Now, the good thing with this kit is that it's dual paired, as you have seen earlier. I'm now connected to the Porsche phone system as well as the Apple CarPlay system. So I get the best of the phone calls, best music transfer, but also I get full integration and use of the touchscreen whilst using this system. And then simply put it into reverse and it will switch to the screen with moving guidelines as well. That will just help you remember which way you're going. If you get in the vehicle, the wheels up has already got a full turn on it, and you're not sure which way around it is, you'll know straight away, you don't turn into something. It is very handy, works perfectly. Just a quick final word about the tracking on this system. Got the MetaTrack system with a small tag on there. You get a pair of these, and then you get the phone app, gives you live tracking of the vehicle, gives you journey history so you can see if the vehicle's been moved without you knowing about it. And one of my personal favourite features is if you go onto modes, you can do immediate engine blocking. Now what that'll do is even if someone has a tag, so say they've stolen the keys from your house or out your bag, if you've dropped it off at valet parking or airport parking and they're going to take it out for a test drive, even with that, as long as you've ticked that box, she will not start. They will not be able to take your vehicle out for a drive. It's the ultimate peace of mind, one of the best features on it. You've also got your OBD blocking, which means that no one can program into the car without you knowing about it. Again, if you ever leave your vehicle somewhere, just make sure you turn that off if you take it back to Porsche for any diagnostics work to be done, or they'll be calling you up saying there's a problem. But it's a brilliant system, European coverage, tied in with the police system, and you get a phone call straight away if the vehicle's started up, ignition is turned on in this vehicle without that tag present. So that brings us to the end of working on this GT3 RS. If you've got any vehicle, whether it's a flamboyant Lambo, track-focused Porsche, you can call us up. We can help keep it secure and also make it more usable. Thanks to everyone in the shop for helping get all this stuff up and running. If you need anything like that, give us a shout. We'll always be here to help. Catch you next time.